Climatology or climate science in the scientific study of Earth. Climate typically defined as water condition average over a period of at least 30 years. This modern field of study is regarded as branch of the atmospheric sciences and subfield of physical geography, which is one of the earth sciences. Climatology now includes aspects of oceanography and biogeochemistry. Used for variety of purpose, from study of the dynamic of the weather and climate system to projection of future climate. Weather is known as the condition of the atmosphere over a period of time, while climate has to do with the atmospheric condition over extended to indefinite period of time. Subfields. The two main subfields of climatology are physical climatology, which seeks to understand two principles of mass and energy exchange in the Earth atmosphere system, and dynamic climatology, which examines factors influencing climate. The study of modern climatology is primarily global in perspective. The main tools used by climatologists are computer models of the atmosphere, ocean and land surface, and data inferred from satellite observation. Other divisions of climatology include descriptive climatology, synoptic climatology, which analyzes weather observations taken simultaneously at different locations, and apply climatology, which make climate information available to engineers, planners, vacationers, sea climates, and humankind. The probability that influence climate is also of interest, so climatologists. Physical climatologist. Physical climatologist is the science of examining and modeling numerically process, magnitudes, and directions of energy and mass exchange within the atmosphere, as well as and immediately below the Earth's surface. The factors are important in determining all scales of climate, from local to global and from inurnal to millennial. Currently, the portion of the Earth equator of 14 Celsius located in energy source size radiant energy gains exceed loss here. Poles of 14 Celsius latitude, however, the system is energy sink, where less actions against winds and ocean currents transport energy poleward to rectify this latitudinal imbalance. There be ameliorating surface temperature difference between the tropic and the poles. Moreover, the Earth's surface has an annual surplus of radiant energy, whereas the atmosphere has difficult. This imbalance is caused largely by the thermal insulating effects of atmospheric water vapor and almost abnormal importing greenhouse gas convective transport from the surface present gives surface warming and atmosphere cooling. Likewise, on global basis, closed surface models. Numerical climate models use quantitative methods to simulate the interaction of the important drivers of climate, including atmosphere, ocean, land surface, and the dynamic of the climate system to projection of future climate. Climate models may also be qualitative, a not numerical models, and also narrative, largely descriptive and possible future. Quantitative climate models take account of incoming energy from the sun as short wave electromagnetic radiation, chiefly visible and short wave infrared, as well as going to long wave infrared electronic and imbalance result in change in temperature. Quantitative models vary in complexity. One simple radiant Hart transfer model treats the Earth as single point and average outgoing energy. This can be expected vertically. To finally, atmosphere, ocean, sea, ice, global climate models solve the full equation for mass and energy transfer and radiant exchange. Three other types of modeling can be interlinked, such as land use in Earth. Topic of research: climatological process. Various factors impact the average state of the atmosphere at particular location. For instance, mid-latitudes will have a pronounced seasonal cycle in temperature, where tropical regions show little variation in temperature over the years. Another major control on climate in continentally the distance to major water bodies and such as ocean. Ocean acts a moderating factor so that land close to it typically has mild winter and moderate summers. The atmosphere interacts with other sectors of the climate system with wind generation, ocean current that transport heat around the globe. Modern climate change is driven by the human emissions of greenhouse gas from the burning of fossil fuel, driving up global mean surface temperatures. Raising the temperatures are only aspect of modern climate change. With the eclipse oversea change, overfit change in the preparation, storm tracks and cloudiness. Warm the temperatures are driving further change in the climate system, such as the widespread melt glacier, sea level rise, and shift in the flora